Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see your TikTok password if you forgot it before going through the full reset process. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. You can follow this tutorial on both iPhone and Android. It doesn't really matter. First, make sure you completely close the TikTok app. The first thing we are going to check is the password manager on your device. On iPhone, this is very easy because there's a built-in passwords app. You can either find it in the utilities folder or simply swipe down and search for passwords. Once you open it, you'll need to unlock it using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, tap on search and type TikTok. If you have multiple accounts saved, choose the correct one. Then tap on the password field to reveal your TikTok password. Keep in mind, this only works if your password was saved on your device. If you don't see it there, another option is checking your Google Password Manager. This is especially useful if you're on Android or if you signed into TikTok using Google Chrome. Open any browser, go to Google, tap on your profile icon in the top right, and select Manage your Google account. From there, go to Security, scroll down, and find Password Manager. Use the search bar and type TikTok. If the password is saved, tap on the account, verify your identity, and then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. If you still can't find your password, then the last option is to reset it. To do this, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and log out of your account. Once logged out, remove the account from the login screen by tapping the delete icon. Then choose Use Phone, Email, or Username. Tap the question mark icon in the top right. Select Forgot Password and reset your password using your phone number or email. And that's it. Now you know how to see your TikTok password if you forgot it and what to do if you need to reset it.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.